Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing how much time you spend on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Similar to the screen time and digital well-being apps on iPhone and Android, Facebook also has a built-in time management tool. On the Facebook app, tap the three lines menu button from the bottom right. Scroll down and select Settings from Settings and Privacy. Go down to the Preferences section and select Your Time on Facebook. Tap See Your Time. Here you can see the amount of time you spend on Facebook each day and week. You can turn on the weekly update here to get notified of your weekly Facebook habits. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.